Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I was just trying to get so many things going. One of the things I've been working on is getting my own space to shoot as many videos I can without any interruption or disturbance. But I'm so excited that this studio is finally done, although I'm waiting for like one or two things to come in, but I'm still super excited to get this space and share more exciting recipe with you guys and ideas. So I'm really excited, and I really hope this also brings me to like make videos continuously. Like I really am aiming to be super consistent to my videos. But anyways, enough of that. Let's dive right into what I'm making today. Today's meal is inspired by a restaurant I went to here in Lagos. It's a Thai restaurant. Their food was super amazing. So I decided to recreate something similar to what I ate. And today I'm making inspired Thai chicken noodles for you guys. So I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Try it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and let me know what you think about the recipe. Definitely do give it a try. So yeah, so let's dive right into it. What you need for this recipe, I'm not going to list the ingredients right here. I'll put them in the description box. So the first thing we have to do is to make our sauce for the chicken noodles. All we need to get is a measuring spoon. We just need 1 tablespoon. First of all, we're going to take fish sauce and we're going to measure just 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So this is a store-bought chicken stock, but feel free to make yours. I've been wanting to make mine, but again, I've not just had time. Take 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm going to get some light soya sauce. And then another 1 tablespoon. So we have that. So you have to use light soya sauce. And the thing is, these ingredients can be gotten anywhere. It's not anything that is super complicated to find. And then lastly, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you don't have brown sugar. So we're going to give that a quick stir. So then we get our lime. This is very key ingredient in making any Thai recipe. Now another important ingredient we need to add, if you have any form of chili sauce. If you've seen one of my previous videos, I did make a chili sauce previously. So this is it. I made another batch, so I'm just going to add, just to give you a bit of heat, I'm going to just add 1 tablespoon of it as well. And it's important for this chili sauce, make sure you use a dried spoon, and we're going to just mix that in. And at this point, you just want to give it a taste to make sure like the flavors are in there. I think that's fine. Okay, I have one more thing. So I went to the garden to pick lemongrass. I really super love the smell of lemongrass. This isn't a compulsory component to add into your meal, but I just love the smell of lemongrass. So just add that in. So like I said, we just want to leave this to sit. Let the flavors sort of marry together, and I'm actually going to just add a bit more of brown sugar, just a bit more, and just stir that. So I'm just going to set that aside, let it all marry, let all the flavors marry together. So just to recap, we use fish sauce, oyster sauce, light soya sauce, brown sugar, but you can use white sugar, lime juice, chili sauce, and lemongrass. So those were 7 ingredients. So now we're going to boil our pasta and start to stir fry. So moving on here, So right now we're going to get some pasta and put it into boiling water. So it's always important to actually follow the instructions on the packet if you're buying a pasta, because they tell you how long to cook it for. So while the pasta is boiling, I want to introduce you guys to the main recipe, or rather the main ingredients for this recipe. So normally what I do is when I go to ShopRite, I buy the mixed veg packs, which has the pack has bell peppers, carrots, onion, and I think green beans. So I just normally buy that. So actually you can use it as a leftover thing, because I use that pack up to like 3 times before it's completely finished. So that's what I'm using for this meal. I already have my chopped bell peppers. You can use one color, you don't have to use all the colors. Vegetable oil, frozen peas, basil leaves. I also have some carrots that are finely chopped into like thin strips. Then I have I think it's green beans, I'm not sure, but it's part of the package. I also have some thinly sliced chicken breast. I didn't season it because the spice mix we made earlier on, the wedge rub we made earlier on, it's packed with so much flavor, so I don't want to overpower any flavor or make it too salty. So the idea for me is when the pasta is boiling, this should take about 10 minutes to cook. While that is cooking, you can start with your veggies, so that once it's done, all you have to do is pour the pasta in. I'm going to turn that on. I'm working with a wok pan. You can use a frying pan, but just make sure it's like deep enough. So yeah, I'm going to work with my wok pan. It's a bit rusty, I've used it a lot of times. So we're going to start off by putting some vegetable oil. You don't want to put too much because there's sort of already oil in the sauce we made earlier on. So I'm just going to take my garlic, just smash it up so it'll be easy to peel. You don't have to like finely dice it, just roughly chop it up. We're going to put that into our pan. We're just going to first fry this, so we're trying to bring out the aromatic of the garlic. Just fry that up. I'll reduce the gas because my wok tends to like burn really fast. So once that just slightly changed color, I'm going to pick up the chicken breast. I'm going to add that into it. So with chicken breast, you don't want to overcook it at this point. You don't want to like cook it until it's ready, because all the other veggies has to go in as well. So just cook it until you no longer see the pink parts. So what I do at this stage is I take just a little bit of the sauce and just drizzle it over the chicken. So now we're going to take our bell peppers and add everything to it. Also our carrots, add everything. And give that a mix. Then get our onion and just cut it up. Just add that to it. Add the rest of our ingredients. So that's this, the green peas, just those two. We're not adding basil. The basil is going to be the last thing because that will pack up the flavor. At this point, we're going to add half of our sauce. So we'll just give give this like 2 minutes, let all the veggies sort of soften up on low heat. And then once that's done, we're just going to add our spaghetti. Now, the essence of adding chicken stock and the chili sauce is to make sure that you don't have a very dry pasta, because the liquid would keep the pasta very alive. So now we're going to add the rest of the sauce. I'm going to stir that in. And lastly, we're going to take our fresh basil and just sprinkle that over and give it a final turn. So if you're like me that likes to go a bit extra mile, I've toasted some pine nuts. You can use cashew nuts. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on top. So now I'm going to have a taste to make sure everything is flavored properly. Purple. Oh, not too dry. It's just perfect. So there you have it, guys. You have the Thai chicken noodles. For me, there is nothing I like a perfect recipe. If you make it and you feel like you need to make another batch of the sauce and add more sugar, more fish sauce, do that and add it to the meal. There is nothing like a perfect recipe. My taste buds and your taste buds are different. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please do try the recipe and let me know what you think. Let me know if you liked it or you didn't like it. And stay tuned to my page for so much more amazing recipes. And I really hope to be consistent this time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. And bye. See you next time.